In front of me is TCL 25G, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this phone. So first of all, just open the camera app, and here at the top of the list you've got timer icon. Mark it, pick 2, 5 or 8 seconds delay, then just grab the picture and you can see the countdown here. And now the picture has been grabbed. If you'd like to change it, the period, it can be for example 8 or 2 seconds, let me apply 2 seconds delay. So also smoothly click and then you'll be able to grab the picture with this delay. And that's it. To switch it off, just click on off and grab a picture with no delay. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate and use camera timer in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.